Hello everyone, get ready for a wild compilation of unbelievable car crashes. We've got a jaw-dropping clip that's bound to make you shake your head in disbelief. Buckle up because you won't believe what happens next. Oh no, there's no way to avoid something like this. I pray for the safety of the passengers.
Was his onstage persona, but as folks told me, this was
broad face and a little round belly that shook when he laughed.
Stay safe everyone and avoid drinking and driving. Let's buy a Dashcam. You never know when you'll need it. People will never stop speeding until they learn their lesson. Large vehicles need to be cautious when passing through narrow curves like this. If your vehicle is tall, be careful when driving under bridges.
Oh my God. Holy sh**.
Do people think they're invincible when they run red lights? Who is at fault in this incident? Let me know your opinion in the comment below.
Just me in the car. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. There's a car in the middle of the road. Alright, so just stay right here.
Oh dear, this car smashed through the car park entrance. In northern Florida, an ambulance responding to a medical emergency was struck by a small bus and a pickup truck at an intersection. Don't do that, bro. Glad there were no injuries. Driving slowly is a good solution everywhere. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this crazy ride, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more wild car crashes moments. Let us know in the comments which crash shocked you the most, and share this video with your friends to spread the word. Next video. Don't forget to give us a like button and share your road encounters in the comments. And don't miss the video on the right side of the screen. See you soon.